DHOG Motorcycle Challenge is a 9-month riding challenge going to railroad stations across the state of Texas, photographing the station with your motorcycle in the picture. I will be visiting as many stations as possible from March to November. A minimum visit of 25 depots or stations, and you'll receive a patch. The top 3 contestants will receive gift cards. Come along with me on this motorcycle train journey.
Zero. 1. Let's get started.
Why they stopping me? Stopping me.
The first 18 train stations are on this video. Part 2 has the rest. If you like, please like and subscribe. You can use my QR code with your camera to join my YouTube channel.